Hello students, this is Akshata, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. For upcoming CTET December 2023 examination, I have come up with a complete series of Mathematics Paper 1 and Paper 2. We'll be discussing the whole syllabus of Mathematics Paper 1 and Paper 2. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about the average topic. This is the lecture number 24. If you haven't watched the previous video, please do watch it. So along with the concepts, here we'll be explaining lots of MCQs over in the class. So if you're targeting for the paper 1 and paper 2 for upcoming CTET December 2023 examination, then Global Online application has come up with a complete course with the following features provided to you guys. Full syllabus video lectures. Through these video lectures, you can clear all your doubts as well as the concepts, as well as lots of tips and tricks will be shared by the educator so that you can solve the question paper with great accuracy and lots of confidence. Full syllabus notes will be provided to you in the form of PDF, which will clear again all your concept easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. 50 plus mock test. To this mock test you can test your preparation, and the question asked in the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination as well, students, and this is very much important. Full syllabus MCQ PDF. Again, through this MCQ PDF, PYQs will be provided. At the same time, most repeated and highly expected questions which can come in your examination. So the course fees for the paper 1 plus paper 2 is rupees 3000 only. You just have to contact us on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of the course. If you are targeting for the individual paper 1 or paper 2, the course fees for the individual paper is 2000 rupees only. Okay. Similarly, you just have to contact us on this given WhatsApp number for course enrollment. Now the question number 1, this is again based upon the concept, okay, of the averages which we have studied in the previous classes. Okay, so the question number 1, find the average of set of numbers 65, 85, 70, 90 and 105. Now we know the formula for average is equal to, average is nothing but sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. Total number of observations. I am just writing it in the short form. Sum of the observations, sum of the values, or sum of the entities. Okay, any term can be used, divided by total number of observations. Now these are certain observations or the values or the entities given in the question. Let's take sum of all the values. 65 plus 85 plus 70 plus 90 plus 105 divided by how many observations are there? There are total 5 observations, so divided by 5. Okay, so the summation is equal to 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 0, 5, 15, 5 carried 1. Okay, 6 and 1, 7, this is 7, 7, 14, 14 and 7 to the 21, 22. 22 and this will give us total is equal to value 415 divided by 5. Okay, so just do it slow. The calculation is not much difficult, but sometimes if you are careless about the calculation, then it will get wrong. Okay, simple thing, so do not ignore these small things. So 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15. 83 is the average of the following sets of the number mentioned in the question. Okay, I hope you have got the question. Moving on to the next one. Now this is an interesting question. The sum of the 10 numbers is 550. Find the average of the numbers. Now we don't know what are the numbers. They have given us the average. They have given us the total numbers, that is equal to 10, and we have to find the average numbers. Okay, now here we know the formula for average. Average is equal to sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. This time average is mentioned 550. Total number of observation is given. There are total 10 numbers. We have to find the average. We have to find the average numbers. Okay, how to find it, I'll tell you. Look here now. We don't know the numbers, but we know the sum of the 10 numbers is equal to 550. Given, right? Sum is given, not average. This is sum, not average. Okay, so sum is equal to 550. So we know the formula for average. Average is equal to 550 divided by 10. Okay, so average is nothing but 0 0 will get cancelled. We will get 55 as your average. So the average is equal to 55. Always remember one thing, whenever they give you like term natural numbers, then there is a different formula for finding out the average, okay, of any given natural number. So write down the formula, note down the formula first. Average of first n natural numbers this is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2. This is what? Average of first n natural numbers. Now the keyword is first. This is important. So they'll tell you that first 100 natural numbers, first 80 natural numbers, first 70 natural numbers, you are going to use this formula. Okay? But when the first word is not mentioned, or they are not mentioning you from where it is starting and where it is ending up, at that time we cannot use this formula. Always remember, they have to mention from where it is actually starting and where it is ending. First n natural numbers, that is, now find the natural number, find the average of natural numbers from 1 to 67. Starting up is given 1 and the end is also given 67. So the value of n over here is the end number or the last number. Okay, so if they ask you to find out the average of natural numbers from 1 to 67, so the value of n is equal to 67, which is the last number, okay, of this given series. So average, let us find the question's answer now. Average of n natural number is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2. N is equal to 67. So if I put the value in the formula, I'll get 67 plus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 68 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 34. So 34 is the average of the natural numbers from 1 to 67. I hope you have got this very clear. Okay, so make a note of this. Such type of questions can be directly asked in your examination. Average of n natural numbers. Okay, you can also find the summation of n natural numbers through this. So answer me in the comment section. If they ask you to find out the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 67, what will be the formula? You don't have to tell me the answer. Tell me the formula for this. You can take the help of this particular formula to find out the summation of the natural numbers from 1 to 67. Okay, through this formula you can derive the summation wala formula as well. Okay, moving on to the next question. The average of 7 consecutive numbers is 20. What is the largest of these numbers? Look here now. We don't know what are the numbers. We just know that there are certain numbers. There are 7 numbers and those numbers are coming one after another. So the numbers which come one after another are nothing but they are called as consecutive numbers. Okay, so there are 7 numbers coming one after another and their average is given to you 20. You have to find the largest number. So we don't know what are the numbers, so let us consider the first number be x. So automatically the second number will be x plus 1 because the number is coming the one after another, right? Consecutive numbers, it means the numbers coming one after another. So x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5. And how many numbers become this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more number is needed, x plus 6. So let these numbers be the 7 consecutive numbers. Okay. Now we know the formula for average. What is the formula for average? Average is equal to sum divided by total number of observations. So let us take the sum. X plus first number, second is x plus 1, plus third is x plus 2. Third number is x plus 3. Fourth is x plus 4, x plus 5. And the last is x plus 6. Divided by how many numbers are there, how many observations are there? There are total 7 observations. Okay, divided by 7. So we will get the value is equal to, just a minute, let me check, divide by 7. Okay, so the average also given to you, mentioned over here, is equal to 20. So 20 is equal to, what is the value over here? X, how many times x is coming? X is coming almost 7 times, so 7x plus 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21. So this will give me 21 divided by 7. If I take 7 on this side, 7 into 120, sorry, 7 into 20 is equal to 7x plus 21. So this will give us 140 is equal to 7x plus 21. So 7x will be equal to 140 minus 21, that is equal to 119. The value of x is equal to 119 divided by 7. So the value of x finally is equal to 17. But have they asked us to find the value of x? No, they have asked us to find the largest number. If they had asked us to find the smallest number, then we would have said the smallest number is x and x value is 17. They have asked us to find the value of largest number. Largest number is x plus 16. We know the value of x, that is 17 plus 6 will give us the value is equal to 23. So 23 is the largest number. This is the answer for your given question. Moving on to the next question, students. The average of 10 numbers is 23. If each number is increased by 4, what will be the new average? Now, average of 10 numbers is given. N's value is equal to 10 and average value is equal to 23. We have to find the sum first. So what will be the sum? Average is equal to sum divided by n. So sum will be equal to average into n. So that is equal to 23 into 10 to 30 will be the summation. Okay, now if we start increasing the number by 4 in total, if we start increasing the number, each and every number by 4, okay, so if each number is increased by 4, then total increase will be how much? How many numbers are there? There are 10 numbers. If one number is increased by 4, then 10 numbers in total will be get increased by 40, right? So the summation was 230 before. After addition of 40, it will be 230 plus 40 is equal to 270. So the value of new average will be equal to summation 270 divided by 10 numbers, that is equal to 27. Instead of doing all these traditional methods, yesterday I have explained you one thing, that whenever we have certain value, now let me explain what is the shortcut for this question. We have certain values that are, for example, there are 10 numbers. Let us consider there are 10 members. Yeah, for 10 numbers also you can consider, and each member is having 23 chocolates. Why? Because 23 is the average. Let us consider that each member of this particular group is having 23 chocolates. Okay, so after one more member is added to this group, if one more member is added to this group, one member is added to this group, and he is bringing the exact chocolates, then the average is going to remain the same. If he brings extra chocolate, for example, he brings 24 chocolates instead of 23, which is the average value, right? The average is going to increase. If he brings lesser chocolates, for example, if he brings 22 chocolates, then average is going to decrease. Based on this concept also, you can clearly understand the question. But there were 10 numbers and the average was 23. Now, we have actually increased each number by 4. Each number has increased or got increased by 4. So here, the total value or the total average will also get increased by 4. So after 23, if I add 4, I'll get the value is equal to 27. Instead of solving all that steps, even if this particular concept of yours is clear, then you can clear cut solve the question. I hope you have got this. Okay. Moving on to the last question. This is the question that I have given you as a homework. Please do solve it. The average of 50 numbers is 20. If two numbers are 37 and 43 are discarded from that, Find the average of the remaining numbers. Interesting question it is. In tomorrow's lecture, I'll take the left out questions of the average, and that will be the end of the session of the average. And from day after tomorrow, we'll start up with the profit and loss sessions. Okay. So this was the end of the session, students. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining the session. Bye.